We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Nathan with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to look at an HP 9015 inkjet printer. So the problem that we're having is when they make copies through the document feeder and the skin bed is leaving marks on the pages. So what we're going to do is clean the glass off. So how we're going to do this, we're going to use a lint-free rag and glass cleaner. And we're going to spray the glass cleaner on the rag itself and not on the skin bed. So we're going to open it up. And you will notice two pieces of glass here. One is for the automatic document feeder and one is for the skin bed. So we're going to simply clean it off. And once it's nice and clean and looks good to you, you're going to close it up, and this is what you would run your test pages. If you have anything, if there's anything left on the pages, you might want to try cleaning it off again. If not, you can give Onyx a call. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.